I could say without this technology, we wouldn't be here right now. We focused on labels and packaging. Packaging, it's stand-up pouches, and somebody has called even digital pouch factory. It means that we produce just digitally printed flexible packaging, mainly stand-up pouches. We start with thermal transfer printers, and that's it for blank labels, just black and white, that's it. At the beginning we purchased labels from another producers, mainly purchased blank labels, printed by thermal transfer printers, and that's it. A lot of competitors, our competitors, shows for us like this that we are crazy investing so huge money to digital printer, and our self-cost was much higher than their self-cost. Nobody expected that we will be successful. But after 10 years, they started to learn from us and invested in the same equipment just 10 years later. Today we're exporting mainly to West Europe, and more than 50% of our production goes mainly to Scandinavia market, to UK, Germany, Netherlands, and we expect growing in Benelux countries and Poland. Market is competitive, but we have some strengths. As I said, we already 10 years in digital printing industry, so we know that our biggest quantity of our customers are small and medium companies. We respect them in very, very high way, so we always talk with them, discuss with them, and looking how to help them. Of course, they appreciate our support, our service, and we are successful even in West Europe. I could say without this technology, we wouldn't be here right now. It's the most important thing what we have. In the first worldwide crisis period, 2008, we decided to invest in digital technology, HP Indigo. So, and in 2009, we signed first contract, first in Lithuania and first in Baltics, to purchase HP Indigo digital press, and we are the first one. Later, we invested in second HP Indigo digital press for labels, and in 2018 we made biggest investment in our company, purchased HP Indigo 20,000 and started our flexible packaging department. For labels, we use famous Danish company GM die cutting machines, which is really very efficient, very high quality. And last our investment in labels was purchasing from company Cartes from Italy, laser die cutting with digital varnishing and digital foiling, what is absolutely unique in whole region, and I could say even in Europe, because there are just few companies which have such equipment. What gives for customers fast turnaround, unique. Each label could be, even with form, even with embellishment. It means digital foiling, digital varnishing. It's absolutely unique in the market. And the same for flexible packaging. We invested in Carvel machine. It's Swiss-made machine, which is number one, I could say, in Europe. Again, with requirements for quality and sustainability. When I invested in HP Indigo first time, one of the best salesmen in HP Indigo, Rob Engelman, said to me that we'll get service in 24 hours. It means that if something happened, very fast you will get support from HP Indigo. And really it happened. They offer great service, and usually if something wrong, we can get quite fast all parts, and most important, that's a lot of attention. And especially in the last year, after connecting to the support team, one guy from Israel named Itzik, it's really great support from him. Newest machines like INKISH Pico 25K has Spot Master, which gives to customers almost any Pantone colors what he needs. So it's the highest digital technology in the market, which could serve customers in any requirement Pantone color. We can print any color, and we even can print bad printed competitors' color, because sometimes happens customers asking for Pantone color, let's say number 20, but some printers print, let's say, Pantone number 19, and we can repeat even this color thanks to this Spot Master, which could be reached very fast. I highly expecting that finishing lines for production of digital of pouches will become much faster, because now is the lowest process in whole production of flexible packaging. It's bottleneck. So it's why you need to invest again in new finishing lines or in additional employees, additional shifts, additional buildings, facilities. So it's really a bottleneck, and I hope so that this equipment will be upgraded in the nearest future. What helps for us to be more efficient, faster, and with higher turnover.